Welcome back to my channel where I bring you the best tips and strategies for optimizing your business operations. Today, we're diving into the world of safety stock and inventory management, two critical components that can make or break your business. First, let's define safety stock. Safety stock is the extra inventory kept on hand to prevent stockouts caused by unpredictable supply chain issues or sudden increases in demand. It's your safety net, ensuring that you can always meet customer needs, even when the unexpected happens. By maintaining appropriate levels of safety stock, you can buffer against these fluctuations, leading to several key benefits. Benefit number 1, improved customer satisfaction. Nothing frustrates a customer more than finding out that the product they need is out of stock. Good safety stock practices ensure that you have enough inventory to meet demand, leading to happier customers and more repeat business. Benefit number 2, reduced risk of stockouts. Stockouts can result in lost sales and damage to your brand's reputation. By keeping a buffer of safety stock, you minimize the risk of running out of essential items, keeping your operations smooth and your sales consistent. Benefit number 3, increased operational efficiency. With proper inventory management and accurate inventory records, your warehouse operations become more efficient. Workers spend less time searching for products that aren't really there, but the computer system thinks they are. Now, that leads us into inventory management. Effective inventory management involves keeping track of stock levels, orders, sales, and deliveries. It's about having the right products in the right place at the right time. Benefit number 1, better demand forecasting. By analyzing sales data and trends, you can predict future demand more accurately, helping you to maintain optimal stock levels without overstocking or understocking. No forecast is a guarantee, but a combination of historical data and customer feedback may yield a better forecast over time. Benefit number 2, cost savings. Efficient inventory management reduces the costs associated with excess inventory, such as storage and insurance. It also minimizes the risk of obsolescence and spoilage. Benefit number 3, enhanced cash flow. With less money tied up in excess inventory, you have more cash available to invest in other areas of your business, such as marketing or new product development. Good safety stock practices and efficient inventory management go hand in hand. Together, they help you meet customer demand, reduce risks, save costs, and improve overall business efficiency. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on optimizing your business operations. And don't forget to check out our website, numericalInsights.com, for more resources and tools to help you manage your inventory effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.